We have like a 15-year plus relationship.
Yeah.
And it's been very good.
We do.
But I guess you're from Canada.
I am, yeah, born and raised, just outside of Toronto.
All right.
A place called Markham. So it's about 30 minutes north of the big city. And for us, I don't know if you guys know, but Toronto is our New York. I mean, that's the center of the universe.
I've done some time in Toronto.
Yeah, that's the center of the universe, but more importantly, it's the center of the hockey universe.
Yeah, well.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know you're a Nashville Predators guy.
Hey, Brian Martin, next time you check out this podcast, make sure you call Ryan out. Brian's a huge hockey. He's one of our account reps.
Yeah.
Our account managers in Virginia.
Okay.
He lives and breathes it.
Yeah.
He lives and breathes it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'm familiar with Mississauga.
Yeah.
And I'm familiar with Guelph,
Okay.
Kitchener, Hamilton.
Yeah, it's all
that
part
side
of
of town.
the greater Toronto area.
Yeah.
It's a big place. There's a lot going on. It's home, and I miss it every day. I really do.
Home of Swiss Chalet.
Swiss Chalet, Tim Hortons, double doubles, maple dip donuts. I mean, the list goes on.
Yeah, I'm a big. You can ask my wife. I'm a huge maple fan. Like maple donuts. Maple,
Oh yeah. Yeah.
I mean donuts in general.
Yeah.
But maple donuts.
Well, yeah.
Specific.
Growing up, I would have something maple every day.
Yeah. I don't like it flavoring my coffee though.
No, I
like it in my syrup and I like it in my donuts.
Yeah.
That's about it. Actually, no, I do. There is something else. I like those Russell Stover candies.
Okay.
Those chocolate covered things that have the maple nougat inside.
Oh
of it.
yes, yeah, those are good.
Go.
Yeah,
So there are three
Yeah,
things.
I got you. Yeah.
Three. I used to do a lot of time in Canada. I worked for a company in the States.
Yeah.
In powder coating, that their corporate office halfway through my tenure with them had moved to Guelph. So I spent a lot of time on the Queen Expressway.
Yeah.
And
Well, Guelph's
rolling
a nice
up from
place.
Buffalo.
Yeah, Buffalo. Shuffle up from Buffalo.
the Buffalo Shuffle.
Yeah.
Straight up the Queen Expressway.
Well, they've got a great football team now. In Toronto, we've got all the major sports but the NFL. So the Bills are kind of our local team, right? That's who we grew up cheering for. Buffalo's kind of our little brother, I guess. We like to make fun of Buffalo, but we also like to prosper in what Buffalo has to offer. So,
So I guess I know for a fact we're not going to really get into it, but we are working on numerous projects right now, and you and I have spent a good deal of time over the last 6 months of crazy COVID. Talking and working through some projects.